after food, clothing is the second most important aspect of human life. So it is obvious that, like food, clothing needs to be safe and sustainable.
So Lansing actually is a fiber manufacturing. The fiber is for our long daily clothing or for the long woven fabric. So long woven means like the facial mask or a kind of hygiene fabric. For the textile like our garments or shirt or t-shirt, even though the shoes. So this is the material we make for the industry. Now we are standing in the AIC. The full name of AIC is an Application Innovation Center. So AIC itself is a kind of working hub. So it is welcome all the industrial people to connect. So the basic functions of the AIC has two. So one is about the process and the fabric development. And the second is about the education.
By having this Application Innovation Center in Hong Kong, we can connect easily with the manufacturing activities in the near countries, but also very easy to connect with the multinational brands, their buying office in Hong Kong. They can come here and see and touch for what we can offer to the end consumers.
Asia is one of the homes of textile. You think about it, that 2600 before Christ, here in China, people were already making silk. Still, Asia is a very important market for textile. Still today, almost 2/3 of all textiles go through Asia in some way. On top of that, Asia is also growing in terms of consumption. If you take countries like India or China, where the economic power is increasing and where also the purchasing power of the people is increasing. So also in terms of consumption, Asia is a very important market.
Here today, we are in Lenzing Center of Excellence based in Indonesia. This is our regional Application Innovation Center, which is specially designed to develop new yarn and fabrics made from Lenzing fibers and its blends. Lenzing fibers are 100% biodegradable.
We recycle most of the chemicals that we use and reuse them in our production process. Thereby, the sustainability impact, environmental impact on the nature is minimized.
As a consumer, we always look for a comfortable, next to the skin, soft clothing. In the old days, such products used to make from natural fibers like cotton or wool. But unfortunately, those natural fibers, for example cotton, needs quite a lot of resources. So Lansing came up with this newer fiber type, which is as good or even better than natural fibers, because here we can control the fiber properties, but with a minimum use of natural resources like land, water, or any other chemicals.
So traditionally, Asia has been used as a production hub for textile applications. Now with the emergence of Asia, with the high growth and growing middle class, it is also becoming a home for consumption. By having these two facilities in Asia itself, we are able to partner with all our business partners to innovate new applications for the benefit of consumers, and also use the business partners' facilities in the entire downstream supply chain in order to fulfill those requirements.
We come from nature and then back to nature. Come from nature means that we use the wood as a raw material and then produce in the end fiber which into different application. But those fibers from the wood are biodegradable, so it's 100% come back to nature. We really aim to having minimum impact to the environment. By 2030, we want to reduce 50% of carbon emission per kilo of fiber. Minimum impact to the environment, but maximum impact to the people's life, because the fiber we produce is so good and so comfortable and so eco-friendly.
Key message which connects actually all our brands is the fact that we provide sustainability across the whole value chain. Sustainability and transparency, that is for us the most important, because that's what we believe our purpose as a company to the planet.
The Asian consumers, they really know what sustainability means. So we have created the facilities and opportunities within Asia to partner with all the business partners and also to serve the consumers in Asia, right from fiber to fashion. In addition to this, we have manufacturing footprint here in Indonesia to produce viscose fibers, also in China, as well as we are setting up world's largest lyocell facility with Lenzing patented technology in Thailand. Thereby, we have a lot of high value specialty fiber, highly sustainable fiber for the consumers and businesses in Asia to grow.